Let's create this smooth blur transition using After Effects. First, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. First, create an adjustment layer, then move the playhead between both clips and apply the camera lens blur and exposure effects. Press Shift plus the page up key to go 10 frames backward. Set the blur to 0 and add keyframes, making sure to check Repeat Edge Pixels. Also, add keyframes to the exposure effect. Now press Shift plus the page down key and set the blur to 40 and the exposure to 1.0. Again, press Shift plus the page down key and set the blur to 0 and the exposure to 0. Press U to select all keyframes and then press F9. Done. Thanks for watching.